Today, in our lecture, we are going to talk about sediment transport. Sediment transport. When we talk of sediment transport, what is sediment? Sediment is the loose particles of the earth and the earth's surface. Loose particulates. Loose particles of the earth's surface. These loose particles are generated by weathering. Or erosion. Weathering or erosion gives rise to particulate particles, loose particles. So, weathering of rocks by agents of the weathering and also by erosion. So, but mainly we are going to look at it from the angle of erosion. Erosion is a complex phenomenon which we know. It's a complex phenomenon that generates loose particles. In three phases. That's why it's complex. It happens in three phases. You have detachment, you have transportation, and you have the deposition. So, detachment can be likened to weathering of the rocks. Detachment by the forces, by the agents of erosion. Then the next stage is the transportation, which is our area of concern, and then the deposition. Then these loose particles, as we are talking of transportation, can be transported by water, can be transported by wind, can be transported by ice. So they are the agents that can transport the loose particles. So, as we go on, we shall take each of them one by one. Either transportation by water, transportation by wind or by air, then by ice. And the mode of transportation depends on the agent that is doing the transport. So, and that transport doesn't go on forever. At a point, it will stop. And then that's the deposition takes over. And as it is being transported, there is shaping of the channel that the transportation is taking place. So, it is a very interesting phenomenon. It is a very interesting and complex phenomenon. So, and it is very, very necessary because the subject matter is very important in everyday life, so that we can be sure of how to handle it. Well, thank you. We'll continue